In this video, we're going to do a summary of the algebra that we've covered so far. So the learning intention for this video is to revise the content and all of the algebraic methods that we've covered and apply prior concepts to accurately complete all of the review questions. So just to recap, we have an expression that needs to be factorized. First, we need to remove any common factors. If we can, that's the simplest approach to start with. Then from there, we've got four options. We look for the difference of two squares process. We look for a perfect squares pattern. We look for four terms, or how we could group sections into pairs. And we look for sum and product type factors. And they're the four key ways that we can summarize that we've looked at so far. So have a go at these questions here. Fully factorize each of these questions. They're using a whole range of different processes that we've seen throughout the video. And when you're ready for the answers, just press the screen. Did you press the screen? It's a video. Of course there's no button. You can't have a touch screen in a video, silly. Did you touch the button? It's a video, right? That button's clearly not going to work unless I press it. So if I press the video, answers will be up in 5 seconds. So solutions are here to all of the questions. As usual, check your work if you've made a mistake or there's a question when you were doing this that you weren't sure about. Go back to that video from that section and do a couple more questions. So treat it like almost like a punishment. For every question here you get wrong, find the section that we did this content on and do 5 questions from it. So it's a great way to revise. Like, all right, I made a mistake. I'm going to fix it with 5 correct answers. And then you go, all right, I made a mistake in a different section. I'm going to go back and do 5 questions from that as well. And it's a great way to build that repetition rather than just thinking, I know it now, I'm confident, in a month's time you might forget it again. So success check. Can I apply prior concepts to accurately complete all of the review questions with no mistakes? And like I said before, if you made one, find that section and do 5 questions from it just to reinforce that you know how to do that, and we get into that habit of spotting what to do here. If the answer is yes, excellent. We have finished the algebra module. Let me know when you get to this point. We can do the summary test. But otherwise, go back, check your answers, find those modules to go back through and remind yourself, or come and speak to me.